Hello, welcome to a series of my videos, organizing my craft space. More videos to come just like these. So stay tuned and come back to join me, which I'm going to be calling the cave. So welcome to this cave of craft stash. I like to show you what is up over here. This loft here is filled with all of my crafting, and as you can see, tons of a mess that I have not organized it in a while. Those are Christmas things, from scrapbooking to stickers to wrapping paper to lots of other stuff that I just tossed and haven't even gone up there to organize or look at them. Then I have drawers with wrapping paper and tissue paper and tags, kind of organized. Over on the other end, way back there, I have like a little cat area for my kitties to just sleep. Old school books in that red crate, some fabric in the green bins, and that's my Millie. She wants to be here with us. We also have a lot of stuff. Guys, I need help. I plan to reorganize, destash, and make it a little bit friendlier for my kitties to go up there and maybe take a little nap here and there, or even play. I'm not sure how realistic that might be, since it does look a lot like these things are going to be more and more. But what I was thinking is, well, there's the albums that I have there, and then you're looking at some more stashes and bins, scrapbooking paper, sewing stuff, stickers. Lots of the things that I have I rarely use. I only use it in occasions, and it's only because I tend to think I'm gonna use it, and one day I will. That bag is filled with more stuff for crafting, different types of crafting, not just one. Those are all my like camera stuff that I have, tripods and backdrops and more stuff. That's the bottom of that's the stairs, the top of the stairs, and there I have more projects on the way. I'm going to bring you along with me, so stay tuned for more videos that have all of this destashing and organizing with my craft items. There's gonna take a while, but if you like to join me, come on board in the cave of a crafting stash, and we can get this done together. I'm hoping by July is when I want to get everything done. I'm just recording a little bit more so you guys can actually kind of get an idea. This is all like stuff that I've just tossed in a bin to forget, and I will organize later. But my kitties also like to come up here, and they like to go ahead and spend some time away from the other cats or away from the humans. Millie loves to be with me wherever I go, especially up here. She likes to go ahead and follow me. That fabric right there, it's burlap, the one with the fleur d'or, whatever you say it, however you say it. Now I'm going to be coming down, and this is the little stairs that I have to climb down. This is at the top of the roof area above my dining room area, and that's where I keep most of my stash. So thank you for watching. Come back soon.